Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I would like to share this really special moment with you tonight for the first time ever in the Canadian history. For the first time ever in the Canadian history, while we're just seeing Corporal Nadir Khalil, Muslims police officer from the RCMP, performing Azan this time. So I would like to take you through the process of this officer. This officer, he's going to be the first officer recite the Quran. So we are very happy and very pleased. So I want to see how he's going to do it. I'll
come watch you, take a picture with you.
Officer Nadir, would you like to say something?
Thank you too.
Sorry guys, I don't mean to cut you off. I really don't. It's just only a few minutes left.
I'm just very excited, Sam.
This is I cannot believe this is happening. My goodness.
History for both the Muslim community and history for the RCMP community. It's never happened where a Muslim member in uniform is conducted or recited the Adhan. So just super happy to be here, and honestly, this is a good day. I'm proud to be Canadian. It just shows the diversity of this country and the beauty of this country, and we should be thankful, Muslim, Christian, Jewish, atheist, whatever faith we're from, we should be thankful that we live in such a beautiful country that allows us to worship in peace and in harmony. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. I don't know if I have more time, but I would like to ask you a few more questions if I have more time. If not, then you can go. But is this a contribution? Is this a part of the show and the RCMP being part of, I mean, the Muslim community being part of the RCMPs, or the RCMP being supportive and like giving a lot of support to the Muslim community?
This shows both. The community reached out to me. I spoke to the community. The RCMP was all for it. We're very supportive of any community that we police, and in the end, the police are the community, and the community are the police. We're all one, regardless of if you wear a uniform or don't wear a uniform. We're all from this Canadian community, and we all should be proud of that. But
this is very symbolic. I don't think it ever happened before. Are you aware of any Muslim officer who performed Azan?
With the RCMP, no. With the RCMP, no.
Okay.
So, okay, Sam, I gotta get going.
Okay.
We'll see you guys.
I think they're testing. So guys, if you don't mind, I would like you please share this video with all your friends. Share this video worldwide, because honestly, this is the best. I just want to remind you of the videos being circulating around Akram Jum'ah Mosque. This is such a beautiful. Oh my God! Look at this. You see the Ma'zana? You see the Hilal? Subhanallah! What a beautiful scene. Subhanallah. Oh wow, that's so capturing. This is an amazing moment, guys. Subhanallah. So please guys, help me to share this video. We want to see a police officer from the RCMP, from the Royal Canadian Mountie, performing Azan, and this is really a very symbolic moment in our history, in Canadian history, to see a Muslim officer performing Azan in Ramadan. So let alone doing the Azan, performing Azan, it's publicly, it's a blessing that we were granted by our great city of Calgary. And thanks for all Calgarian, thanks for all the Calgarian people and all the people of Calgary who really understood how important this event for the Muslims of Calgary. So I want to thank every Calgarian for understanding this and being part of it, and all the supportive for the Muslim community during this pandemic time. So this is where the community come together. Thank you guys. I'm going to keep it quiet and let him whenever that time is ready to go. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, wow. Ashhadu an la ilaha
إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. حي على الصلاة. حي على الصلاة. حي على الفلاح. حي على الفلاح. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله. الصلاة والسلام عليك وعلى آلك وأصحابك أجمعين.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله، جزاك الله كل خير. واو.